Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your aeroplane mode and guys how can you off in your Infinix phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So in this video guys, we will talk about guys Infinix phone aeroplane mode setting guys. How can we on and guys how can we off it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on aeroplane mode. Then guys scroll guys, you can see your more connection settings. So guys tap here. So as you can see guys your aeroplane mode setting. So guys we will tap here to on. After on guys you can see guys this aeroplane icon in your phone screen guys. Means guys your aeroplane mode has on. So guys when you will on your aeroplane mode, so guys you cannot call anyone and guys nobody can call you guys. As like a switch off phone as you can see. And guys, sometimes guys, what happen with your phone, guys, when your network is too slow, so you should on your aeroplane mode, and guys, after that, guys, off it, and guys, you should use your Wi-Fi and guys, your mobile data, then guys, you can use without any problem. And guys, you want to off it, so guys, you can off from here, guys. So, I hope friends, you've understood how to on and off aeroplane mode in our Infinix phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. So, guys, now we will meet our next video, guys, with new topic. Before going, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye, bye, friends.